Hello everyone. I hope you all are safe and healthy in Corona time. So on this auspicious day of 5th September on Teachers Day, I would like to share my feelings about my teachers. So we will start with a poem. एक बच्चे को उसकी माँ से दूर करने वाले भी आप थे और कुछ ही दिनों में उसकी दूसरी माँ बनने वाले भी आप थे। ए फॉर एप्पल्स और बी फॉर बॉल्स सिखाने वाले भी आप थे और इतने हक से डांटने वाले भी आप थे। और यह तब तक था जब तक जिंदगी में डर नहीं था, क्योंकि इसके बाद जिंदगी में मैडम की जगह सर आए। मेरे सबसे बड़े खौफ भी आप थे जब मैं पापा से ज़्यादा आपसे डरने लगा, और मेरे सबसे बड़े दुश्मन भी आप थे। बट थोड़े ही समय में आप सबसे करीब भी मेरे आप हुए। On this beautiful occasion, I would like to thank all my teachers who have big contribution in shaping us. Like, I would like to thank Ashwinder ma'am, Anju ma'am, Ritu ma'am, Monica ma'am, and everyone who always supported us to achieve our goals in our life. So, happy Teachers Day to all. Thank you.
Regards to each and everyone watching this video. My name is Mehak and I was the humanities topper of session 2017-18, and I joined Bal Bharti in class 11th, and within few months only Bal Bharti adapted me as all the other students they were having before, and it was a great experience at Bal Bharti. All the things I have achieved till date and what was my class 12th result, everything, all the credit goes to my teachers.
Hi everyone, I'm Chad Gupta from Bal Bharti Public School, Ludhiana, batch 2017 and 18. I have a lot of things that I would like to say about school that I miss on school so much. But still, if I get a chance to wear my uniform and polish those black shoes again and run back to school at 7:30 a.m. and I will definitely do that with all my friends and all my teachers, and we'll do everything that we used to do, like we used to do it. Also, I would like to thank my teachers, especially Ashwinder ma'am, Jyoti Berry ma'am, and Ritu Sehra ma'am, and Gagan sir. They have not only contributed to my personality, but they have always pushed me so much to do good in life, to do things for myself.
Hello, I'm Gurnas from batch 2017-18. My journey in Bal Bharti started in 2007 when I was admitted here in class 3 with Karuna Sharma ma'am as my class teacher. And from being an average shy kid in class 3 to being the head girl of the school in class 12, the journey has been amazing. I learned so many things. I changed a lot for the good, and all this I owe to the hardworking teachers at Bal Bharti who stood by me, supported me in all these 10 years. I remember how Monica Sehgal ma'am and Jyoti Berry ma'am counseled me almost every day, how Anju ma'am narrated her anecdotes, and how Varun sir's creative punishments made our school days so much memorable. I'm so grateful that I got the opportunity to be a part of this amazing family, and I cherish each and every moment we've spent together.
Hey, this is Janvi. A happy Teachers Day to all the teachers who helped me guide through everything and to be the person who I am today. I love you guys and I miss Bal Bharti.
Hey, I'm Aspreet and I'm a proud Bal Bhartian. What can I say about my school days? I think those were the best days of my life. I've met some really incredible people, and the teachers, they're so hardworking, they're so amazing. I'm forever grateful to be a part of Bal Bhartian family and for providing me with world-class education. The memories I've made there, I will cherish them for the rest of my life. The people, the memories, they're so precious to me. I really miss those days, and I'm really looking forward to seeing everybody as soon as possible. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Harveen and I'm Miss Bal Bharti, and I would like to wish all the teachers a very happy Teachers Day. And whatever I am today, it's because of Bal Bharti has given me a lot, and the teachers have supported me a lot as well. And I love you and I miss you all. So once again, happy Teachers Day.